This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 62 of building Eleanor. We've got a bit that I'm not entirely certain what it is yet. I thought it was something to do with the back seat, and it probably is, but it's got this sort of the interior velvety finish to that side and plastic on this side. And we've got a hinge, which we're going to be installing today. It's got holes in two different places on there, so make sure you get it the right way round. There's a pin there, and then a screw hole there, and then that is lining up there. I think, yes. So by chance, first time out, I've got it the first way around. It does look from the pictures that the hinge is going to be that way, which makes sense because it's obviously going to hinge upwards. So that's going on there that way round. We've got 3 screws to fit. Tiny little metallic screws on this one. Can't even see getting out the packet, so this is going to be great fun. There we go, there's one. Right, what I will do, because of these being tiny and not easy for me to see and do at the moment, I shall get this hinge attached, then I'll bring in the car and we'll see if I can figure out where it's going to fit. So I'll see you in a sec when this is done. Right, that's that on there and all hinged and working. I'll grab it again. Come on, he's there. It's just closed over the closed way. Oh, it's open. There we go. I couldn't see it. So yeah, we've got a hinge on there now. So now entering investigation and wild speculation mode. It's got to be something to do with the back here because that's what we're working on, and it's that wide. There are 2 pins down there, but these are not screws. They're just pin holes, and it looks like they're screwed holes. So they, although it fits in there, don't think it's going to. It could go either way round, but don't think so. It doesn't feel right like that. But I can't find anywhere else that it would attach. It wouldn't go on the back there. That's curved. So I'm thinking it's probably something like that. And this hinge piece is going to be some sort of cover over the rest of it. It won't go anywhere else because of the middle bit. But I don't know. So I really don't know where that's going to go as yet. But we'll find out next time. Now that is the end of this month's deliveries. So we won't find out for a while yet. But what we will do is put this out of the way. And I'll bring in the magazine and we'll have a look through and see what the cars we're looking at this time are. So I'll see you for that. So here we have volume 16 of building the Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. We'll flick through and see what we're doing. As ever, it starts with the build instructions, which we've already seen. I've already done the building. That's basically half of the magazine is the building stuff. The whatever that is, actually it'll probably tell me what it is now. I didn't actually read the words. What does it say it is? Rear folding panel. So yeah, not really helpful. But it's a rear panel and it folds. So maybe this folds and that clips in. We'll figure it out next time, no doubt. Looking at more Mustangs, races, crashes and publicity. obviously, if you want to pause and read all the words on this, feel free. Movie Secrets, part the third. How many more movie secrets can there really be? Because everyone knows how they make movies now. There's so many different movie documentaries and things about it. The 60-second files from the film. And then the cars, we have Lisa. Which is that? 2000 Volvo Turbo Wagon. Turbo Wagon doesn't sound ideal. There we go. Lisa, we have Alma. Classic car, isn't it? 1964 Bentley Continental. Yeah, that would be an expensive car. Yeah, not very practical, I don't think, in today's climate. But there we go. That's that. And that's it for the ladies' cars. We've got the 1984 Mustang SVO. Mustang to look at. And that's it. So next time, what have we got? Let's see what we got next time. Yeah, that's the interior panel for the other side. The rest of this rear parcel, whatever it is, and don't know, some sort of, not roll bar, but maybe internal bracing. So yeah, that'd be good. So we get the inside, the other side done, and the back bit, whatever we got to do with that. So that'd be good next time. So join me for that in about a month. But before then, obviously there are other part works available. So go in and watch, subscribe, like, and all that stuff. And I'll see you for more very, very soon. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.